This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! Come and see our twin swings! Twin swings.
Okay, so in this box there...
Mummy and Dad bought us twin swings for our new garden as a special treat. And now we've got to build them. Oh, don't forget the bolts, Dad.
Oh, yes, of course. Thank you, Topsy. These 10 bolts are very important. So I'll keep them safely in my pocket until we need them to build the swings. Thank you, thank you. Right, close it back up again.
Oh!
There we go. Now we need to move this box into the garden. Come on, 1, 2, 3.
Dad, do you think we could build this before Tony Welch and Kerry gets here?
I don't think so, Tim. There's a lot to do. Let's try and pick it up again. Come on.
Kerry! Hi, Kerry! Hello, Topsy! Hello, Tim! Hello, Kerry! Hello, Brian!
Hello. How you doing? Okay. It's a good job you're here. We could do with a hand.
Carson is a firefighter and he's very strong. Can you help us build our new twin swings, please, Carson?
Oh, yes.
Carson shows us all how to lift the heavy box safely.
Sure. Right, everyone, if you keep your back straight and bend your legs. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Got it? You all right?
There.
You carry on.
Oh, no, put
I
that.
love our doorbell. I get it, so do I.
Hello, everyone.
Tony.
I can't stop, but these flowers are for your lovely new house.
Thank you.
I'll be back to collect Tony just before 6, Joy.
Okay, lovely. Thanks again for the flowers, Elaine, and you can have a proper look at the new house later. Bye.
Okay, Tony. Get ready to lift the twin swings into the garden. Fireman's lifting.
Back straight, everyone.
I can't get my...
Bend your legs.
Yeah, I got
2, 3, go!
We all watch and wait for the twin swings to be built. And Dad counts the long bars, the short bars, and the seats. Can we help?
No, sorry. Building twin swings is a job for grown-ups.
Aww.
Oh, but you could help us check we've got everything.
Yes!
Okay, move this. Now, how many long, dark blue bars are there?
1,
Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! 8 long bars!
Okay, and how many short orange bars are there?
1, 2,
2.
3, 4. Oh,
And how many seats?
oh, where are they? Near? No.
Nope.
Maybe near top here. Oh, yeah. 1,
Yep.
2.
Good.
2 seats.
Okay, put those down there. And how many bolts?
10. They're in your pocket, Dad. Yeah, they're in your pocket. Ryan, have you lost the 10 bolts?
Yes. Oh, no. There's a hole in my pocket. The bolts must have fallen through.
Oh, don't worry, Dad. That's a job for us. We'll find them.
Good. Go, 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 go.
Come on, Kerry. Oh, sorry, Mummy.
Oh, excuse me.
Tony and I searched the living room. Come on, Tony. If we don't find all the bolts, then the twin swings won't get built. Here's one. I found a bolt. I found one too. There's a bolt. Where? There. Oh, great. Got it. And look, there are 2 more bolts here in the hallway. I've got 2 and you've got 3. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Carrie and I found 2 bolts by the back door, and now we're searching in the grass. Another bolt! Where? Do you see anything else? No. Oh, look. What? A frog. Where? Look. It's a garden frog. Try stroking it, Carrie. Look. I'm scared he's going to hop off. He won't.
Harry, wash your hands if you've touched a frog, please.
Okay. Look, another bolt. Okay, now we'll make a plan. You get that bolt while I'll go and wash my hands. Okay. See you in a minute. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. We've got 5 bolts. Harry and I found 4. Great. Look, you're 4 and I'll 5. Only makes 9. So there's still 1 bolt missing.
Ow! You left a bolt on the kitchen floor.
Mummy found the last bolt. Poor Mummy. She trod on it in the kitchen. Ow. Dad! We found all 10 bolts.
Yay, good boy. Come on, then. Well done, team.
Carson and Dad used the bolts to build the swings. And I put in the very last bolt. All finished.
Ah, good work, Topsy. That's the last bolt fixed. Now, let me check it's nice and tight. Yeah, all done.
Yay! Wow! Our twin swings!
Great work, team.
Now, we've got one last job.
What?
We need to test them out.
Oh, Daddy! Oh.
Yeah, very comfortable.
Feels good.
Yep, safe. Okay, who wants to be the first to swing?
But there are only 2 swing seats, so
Carrie, you can go first. Oh, thanks, Topsy.
that's really kind of you, Topsy. Who's going to try the other one? Tony? Tim?
You can go first, Tony. Thanks, I want to have a quick go, Tim.
Well done, Tim. Good sharing.
Really hard. And that's when Tony said, I hope my new garden will have twin swings too. I hope my new garden will have twin swings too, Topsy and Tim.
What do you mean, Tony?
My mum says we're going to move to a new house soon. Oh. Where are you moving to, Tony? I don't know, but it's not around here. It's near Dad's new job. Will you still come and play at our house, Tony? Yes, you've got the best swings. Yes, so can we have a go?
Yes, come on, it's your turn now, Topsy and Tim.
Yay! And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we helped Dad build our twin swings. Can you remember what creature Topsy and Kerry found in the garden? Was it a frog? Or was it a snail? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is a frog. Watch this. Oh, look. What? A frog. Where? A frog. It's a garden frog. Try stroking it, Kerry. Look, I'm scared he's going to hop off. He won't. Great game! That was good fun.